The coolant pump is located on the left rear side of the engine, red arrow. On the 991.2, you can remove the pump with only removing the lower coolant pipe, blue arrow. It is a really tight fit, and some of the fasteners are accessed from the top and some from the bottom. At the very least, you will need to remove the rear bumper cover and the airbox. While you can loosen and slide the engine carrier back an inch or so to replace the pump, if you are doing this for the first time or just want to do it right and not cut corners, this will show you the safest way. Begin by safely lifting and supporting the vehicle. Remove the rear bumper cover, center muffler, and the drive belt. While you can remove the rear center muffler and engine carrier without removing the rear bumper guard, I highly recommend this. If it's your first time, you remove everything completely. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with those tasks. On the 991.2, Porsche has added a vacuum line, red arrow. This helps with emissions by allowing the engine to warm up quicker. The pump has been redesigned several times over the years, so make sure you get the right one. We are showing how to replace it on a 991.1. Make sure to check fastener sizes before putting any force on the fasteners. Remove this line by using a small pick if needed and pull it off. Next, drain the coolant from the coolant pipe by removing the drain plug and crush washer with a 6mm Allen, red arrow. Remove the plug from the thermostat housing with a 6mm Allen, red arrow. If you are leaving things in place, you must remove the lower coolant pipe to be able to remove the coolant pump from the vehicle. You will be working on the end into the thermostat housing, blue arrow, and the hose end, red arrow. Use a set of hose clamp pliers and lift the hose clamp off of the connection, red arrow. Use a pick and separate the hose before removing the E12 torque screw, green arrow. Then pull the hose connection out from the thermostat housing. Always replace the 2 O-rings on this end of the pipe. If you have removed the engine carrier, you have unfettered access to the pump and do not need to remove the lower pipe. If you have not, you will remove the top 2 E10 bolts, red arrows, from the top between the engine cross member, along with a single E12 bolt, green arrow. You remove the 3 E10 bolts, blue arrows, from the bottom. Double check the size of your fasteners before putting force on them. Do not forget to remove the single E10 torque bolt on the mounting plate by the coolant pipe indicated by the red arrow. The mounting plate will slide out of the way, red arrow. Remove the pump from the engine. Carefully clean the old gasket, red arrow, off of the mounting surface. Porsche states the O-ring can be reused if not damaged, but I would not risk it. Never use anything that can cut or mar the surface. Plastic trim removal tools and a light Scotch-Brite pads work well. The new pump should come with a new gasket, red arrow. Lightly lubricate the gasket with Porsche synthetic coolant lubricant or equivalent. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque the E10 bolts in a crisscross pattern to 13 Newton meters or 9.5 foot-pounds, and the E12s to 23 Newton meters or 17 foot-pounds. Do not forget to vacuum fill and bleed your coolant system after. If you need help with that, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. Do not forget to reconnect your vacuum line, red arrow. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.